In an era where disposable tech seems to define every consumer choice, where products are designed for planned obsolescence and a relentless replacement cycle, it is rare to encounter true commitment to long-term value. This product review aims to cut through the noise, to identify tools that simply work, reliably, year after year. For professionals who cannot afford the cost of failure, who understand that time is the ultimate currency, the Medify MA-40 Air Purifier represents something more than just another gadget. It is a definitive professional standard, a testament to what happens when engineering priorities align with real-world demands in 2026. Consider the quiet standard. This unit, at its lowest setting, practically vanishes into the background hum of a busy office or a focused study. We are not talking about a low hum, but an almost imperceptible presence. Imagine a Monday morning, a critical client call, and the subtle yet irritating whir of an inferior air purification system battling for your attention. This unit removes that 5-minute mental battle, that subconscious friction, and allows you to reclaim those moments of clarity, to focus on the task at hand, not on managing the noise from your environment. That is not just a feature, that is the quiet standard professionals demand. Pick up the Medify MA-40. You will immediately notice the difference. This is not hollow, flimsy plastic that flexes under a light touch. It possesses a substantial, dense heft, a satisfying tactile weight that speaks volumes about its construction. The casing, while not metal, exudes a robust, professional-grade integrity, engineered for years of relentless operation, not a hurried trip to the landfill. There is zero flex in its chassis, no creaks, no cheap seams. This is a tool designed to prevent future errors, to stand sentinel in your space, avoiding the dreaded replacement cycle that plagues so much of modern life. It offers the quiet joy of ownership, knowing that what you have invested in is built to last, a truly long-term value proposition. Now, in the spirit of absolute transparency in this product review, I will mention one minor ergonomic observation. The control panel lights, while dimmable in sleep mode, are not entirely invisible in a truly pitch-black room. For those with extreme light sensitivity, this might be a fleeting thought. However, in the context of its true professional-grade workflow, where these devices are often in ambient light or not the sole source of illumination, it becomes an almost irrelevant professional compromise. It is a testament to the fact that perfection is elusive, but robust functionality trumps minor aesthetic quibbles every time. So, is this a worthwhile investment? A true 2026 update for your professional environment? Absolutely. It's advanced true HEPA H13 filtration, covering vast spaces up to 1,793 square feet with ease. Alongside that lifetime warranty, positions it not as an expense, but as a critical piece of infrastructure for your health and productivity. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly, reflecting market dynamics for such a highly demanded item. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.